Hello, it's officially November. We made it through October and all the Halloween craziness. And I'm back again this month trying out another video greeting to you. So if you haven't given me your feedback yet, let me know what you think. I'm loving it. It feels like I'm having conversations with good friends here in my own house. So thank you for letting me try it out. And here we are, November, which is my absolute favorite holiday, Thanksgiving. I'm hosting again this year, which I took a year off last year and we're back at my house. I get so excited about the tablescape and just adding little touches that make everybody feel so warm and just that I'm thankful to have them at my table. So one of the recipes that I make every single year is my great Aunt Faye's cranberry sauce. It's my absolute favorite. It has oranges and pecans, or pecans if you say it that way. I'll be sure to link it for you below in the newsletter, and let me know what you're making this year. Do you have a family favorite recipe that everyone expects you to bring to the table? I would love to know. Okay, so let's talk about a couple things real estate related as we wind down the year and as we get kind of busy for the holidays. Two things. Sellers, this is for you. If you are considering selling, or if you are kind of like on the fence, we have to have a conversation, because one of the mistakes that I see is that sellers don't realize that they want to sell until the holidays are upon us. They might have a Christmas tree up, they might have decor out. Don't be that person, because the last thing you want to do is take photos of your home with holiday decor up in case it takes longer than the holiday season to sell your home. You want to make sure that it's shown in the best light, and while I'm sure your vintage Christmas ornaments look amazing, that's just not what buyers want to see, especially if it's still on the market in January. So let's talk about your timeline. Let's be sure to get your photos done prior to decorating your house. And then the same thing goes for if you're thinking about selling maybe in January or February. Because the seasons change, things tend to brown up. Let's go ahead and consider getting your photos done now before everything turns gray and brown and your home just looks as good as it can when we put it on the market. Buyers, now is a really great opportunity. While it's not officially a buyer's market, I want to point out that there are sellers who need to sell this time of year. We do have more inventory. Things are really looking in your favor. So reach out. And again, this video is not really just to speak about real estate, but it's kind of like all things related to what I do on a daily basis and just opportunities that you all might be able to find for yourself. So nonetheless, I am so grateful for each and every one of you, buyers, sellers, repeat clients, people who've sent me referrals this year, and really just anybody that follows along on my life here in Charleston, my journey helping each and every one of you. I am so grateful for you. So I am wishing you and your family a very happy start to the holidays and a happy Thanksgiving.